Which button on the Samsung TV remote control is used for code search?
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to tackle an important feature of your Samsung TV remote control: how to use the code search function. If you've ever struggled with setting up your remote or trying to understand its multitude of buttons, this guide is for you.
What is the code search function?
The code search function is an extremely helpful feature that enables your remote control to scan through every code that is programmed into its memory. This is often used when you want to set up your remote to work with different devices, like a DVD player or a cable box, for instance.
Where is the code search button?
This can be a tricky question since the design and layout of Samsung remote controls can differ depending on the model of the TV or the remote itself. However, many Samsung remotes don't have a direct code search button. Instead, they utilize a combination of buttons to initiate the code search mode. In many cases, this involves pressing and holding the power button and the appropriate device button, e.g., DVD, CBL, etc., simultaneously until the power button lights up or blinks. The power button and device buttons essentially function as the code search button.
How to use the code search function.
Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Turn on the device you wish to program. 2. Press and hold the power and device buttons on your remote at the same time. Wait until the power button lights up or starts to blink. 3. Release both buttons. Your remote is now in code search mode. 4. Point the remote at your device and press the power button intermittently. Pause between presses and wait for the device to turn off. This may take some time as the remote is cycling through all the available codes. 5. Once your device turns off, press the device button again to save the correct code. Your remote should now be programmed to your device. And that's it. You've just learned how to use the code search function on your Samsung TV remote control. We hope this guide has been helpful. As always, refer to your Samsung remote's manual for more specific instructions. Enjoy your seamless TV viewing experience.